Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 46 how to check for Instagram shadow ban using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now you can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, go to a photo that has the relevant hashtag to your profile. In this case, computer science videos. Scroll to the bottom, click on a photo. If you have used the tag relevant to your page, click on that hashtag. In this case, computer science videos. Click on this. If you can see your photos and videos on IGTV videos, this means you have not been shadow banned. However, if you cannot see any photos, that does mean you are shadow banned. And to escape a shadow ban, watch the next tutorial after this. Go back to your profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.